Section 11.3, area of a trapezoid. So again, we're going to do the area formula for a trapezoid using the area formula of a rectangle, where it's going to be base times height. But this time we're going to use the median of a trapezoid. So instead of it being a base, it's going to be the median. So we have the height, we move the rectangle over, and the base we're going to call the median. And the median, remember, is going to be the average of the bases. So the area formula for a trapezoid is height times median, or the more common formula is 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2 in the quantity. So remember that the median of a trapezoid is the average of the bases, which is going to be 1/2 times the quantity, base 1 plus base 2. And you may want to keep this as part of your notes to remember this, because you'll use this on some homework problems. Here's some examples. You're going to want to pause as we go along. Okay, let's make this into a rectangle and a triangle, and eventually we'll use the area formula for a trapezoid. So we know the height is going to be 5, and so we solve for the other two sides. The opposite sides are 6, and using the Pythagorean theorem, it's 5 squared to 3. So now our one base is 6, and our other base is going to be 6 plus 5 squared to 3. So we have 1/2 times 5, and then it's 6 plus the other base, which is 6 plus 5 squared to 3. And we'll write this below showing you base 1 and base 2. So we go ahead and combine like terms, multiply it together. In the book, they will extend it and they'll put everything in one big fraction. We're more concerned about you getting the correct answer. So we'll show you the answer that we're fine with, but if you want to keep extending it like the book does, that's perfectly all right. So it's going to be 30 plus 25 square root of 3, all over 2. So let's drop two auxiliary lines. So we'll have two 30, 60, 90-degree triangles and use our formulas for that to solve for it. So we get the hypotenuses to be 10. So we're going to get the short sides to be 5 and the heights to be 5 square root of 3. So we end up getting the top base, we could call that base 1, to be 10. Let's put in our formula. So the area formula is 1/2 times the height of 5 square root of 3 times the quantity 10 plus 20. And when we go ahead and solve this, we end up getting 75 square root of 3. They give us that the bases are 9 and 14, and so I'm going to make the rectangle be 9 and 9, and so what's left over is going to be 5 over 2 for each of the other parts. 45, 45, 90-degree triangles gives us our height to be 5 over 2. And yes, we do prefer the improper fraction. So we put it into the area formula, which is going to be 1/2 the height, which is 5/2, times the bases. The quantity of those bases is 9 and 14. And we get our answer. Now here we want to find out the median. Remember that our median formula was the area of the trapezoid is equal to the height times the median. And so if we do this, we can just fill in what we know. Area is 96 is equal to 8 times m. And we'll go ahead and solve that to get our median to be 12. The magic word is cone.